Hello everyone, I am Mr. Muqtadir Rahman. Today I will discuss with you very interesting topic, how to plan MRI of SI joint, coronal plan, and look here the protocol showing here. And now I set up the planning and look at the parameters. And now this one the sagittal image, this one coronal, and another is transverse image. So coronal plan will be on the sagittal and axial images. Now at first I change the FOV, look here, and now I set up the planning right now following anatomy and physiology, and check the sagittal image, look here right now. Okay, look the another image, transverse image, look here, this one is the left side right now. And now I change the distance factor, this on the right, this on the left right now. Okay, now showing here the parameters, distance factor is 24 and FOV and FOV phase. Now slice 3 millimeters. Now everything is showing here. Okay, now I check, now everything is fine. Now finally apply. Okay, and look the final image, this one is coronal SI joint right now. Okay, this one is the right side and this one is the left side. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video.